Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. Here we have something slightly different to offer you for sale today. It's a 1984 Porsche 928 S2 manual gearbox. These cars were mainly automatic, so it's quite rare to find a manual version. It's a 5-speed gearbox. Now Porsche produced these cars from 1977 right the way through to 1995, and they produced it to actually replace the 911. This was going to offer a more refined GT experience, and it's certainly the first front-engine Porsche ever made. Obviously the 911 lived on strong, still is, and the 928, I guess, now has morphed itself into the current-day Panamera. But this particular car, as I say, was registered in September 1984. It's had 3 owners since. It's had quite a nice life, this car. It's lived in Spain for the last 18 years. The previous owner bought it last year and had an extensive mechanical rebuild carried out to the engine and suspension and braking system. So now the car really is mechanically as new, and it drives as such. Let me show you the interior. It's all original in here. Great condition. Linen cloth, half leather seats. And you can see you have the manual gear stick there. And this classic Porsche design interior. First car ever to have the instrument binnacle move with the steering wheel when you adjust it for height. So it's a really good idea. I'm not sure why I didn't catch on. There's more details on our website for this car and more photographs, but obviously any questions, please do give me a call. The number's on the website, or email info@kingdomspecialistcars.com. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have for the car and go through some of the history and the rebuild it's had mechanically. Carried out by a company called 928 Spares. They're renowned to be the best 928 specialists in the country. Stay well, stay healthy, enjoy this weather. Thank you.